It was trigonometrical ratios of abstract angle or reference angle. Reference angle can be any angle, A, B, C, X, Y, theta. But in this chapter we will see trigonometrical ratios of standard angle. Standard angles are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60 and 90. So write on this, angles. Make this table, angles. Okay, make this table, angles. So make this table, angles. You have to make this table. First angle is 0 degree. Then we have 30 degree. Then 45 degree. Then we have 60 degree. And then we have 90 degree. So 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. They are standard angles. So we have to see trigonometrical ratios with respect to standard angle. Standard angles are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. And what are the trigonometrical ratios? Yes, 22 chapter we have studied. Trigonometrical ratios are sine, cos, tan, then cosec, sec and cot. So we write, this side we write sine, okay, then we write cos, then we write tan, then reciprocal of sine is cosec, cosec is reciprocal of sine, 1 upon sine. Then we write sec, reciprocal of cos. Then we write cot, reciprocal of tan, 1 upon tan. Okay. So now these are the trigonometrical ratios, and standard angles are 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Okay. So make this table, angles, sine, cos, then tan, then reciprocal of cosine is cosec, reciprocal of cos is sec, and last one is cot, reciprocal of tan. So this table you have to remember. First, sine 0 is 0, sine 0 is 0, sine 0 degree is 0, sine 30 degree is 1 by 2, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, then sine 60 is root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, okay, and sine 90 degree is 1, sine 90 degree is 1, okay. So you remember for sine, then cos you can automatically get. Sine 0, 0, sine 30, 1 by 2, sine 45, 1 by root 2, sine 60, root 3 by 2, sine 90 is 1. Then for cos, you have to go in the reverse way. Yes. So cos 0 degree, you go in the reverse way. So cos 0 is 1. Then cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Then cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Then cos 60 is 1 by 2. And cos 90 is 0. Remember this, sin 90 is 1, cos 90 is 0. Then we have seen tan. Then another trigonometric ratio is tan. What is tan? Can you tell me tan? What is tan? Sine upon cos. Sine upon cos is tan. So take the ratio of these two, 0 upon 1. Yes, what is 0 upon 1? 0. 0. Whenever 0 is there in the numerator, the value becomes 0. Then 1 by 2 upon root 3 by 2, 1 by root 3. Then 1 by root 2 upon 1 by root 2, 1. Root 3 by 2 upon 1 by root 2, root 3. And 1 upon 0, see here. 1 upon 0, whenever denominator is 0, it is infinity. You can say not defined. Tan 0 is not defined. Tan 0 is 0, but tan 90 is not defined. Whenever denominator is 0, it is infinity. Infinity means not defined. Now let us write a trigonometrical ratio for cosec. Cosec is reciprocal of sine. So now can you tell me what will be cosec? 1 upon 0, cosec 0. Reciprocal of 0, no my dear. So 1 upon 0 is infinity. It is not defined. Cosec 0 is not defined. Then reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. Cosec is reciprocal of sine. Then reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. And reciprocal of 1 is 1. Are you getting this? Cosec. Then sec is reciprocal of cos. Sec is reciprocal of cos. So reciprocal of 1 is 1. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. Then reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. And reciprocal of 0 is infinity. 1 upon 0 is infinity. Then what is cot? Cot is reciprocal of tan. 1 upon 0. 1 upon 0. Tan 0 is infinity. Sorry, cot 0 is infinity. Tan 0 is 0. Then reciprocal of 1 by root 3 is root 3. Then reciprocal of 1 is 1. Reciprocal of root 3 is 1 by root 3. And reciprocal of infinity. See here. 1 upon infinity is 0. Whenever denominator is very large, then the number tends to 0. 1 upon infinity is 0, but 1 upon 0 is infinity. So basically you have to remember the trigonometrical ratio of sine, cos, tan. These three you remember, other three you can obtain. So we will focus on these three. We will focus on these three, okay? Sine 0, 0, sine 30, 1 by 2, sine 45, 1 by root 2, sine 60, root 3 by 2, sine 91. Cos 0, 1, cos 30, root 3 by 2, cos 45, 1 by root 2, cos 60, 1 by 2, cos 90, 0. Sine 0, 0, cos 0, 1. Sine 91, cos 90, 0. Then tan 0, 0, tan 30, 1 by root 3, tan 45, 1, tan 60, root 3, and tan 0, tan 90 is infinity. So you remember the trigonometrical ratios of sine, cos, tan. Others you can obtain by taking reciprocal. So this table should be thorough. Sine, cos, tan. Yes. Sine 0, 0, cos 0, 1, sine 90, 1, cos 90, 0. Then sine 30, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2. Then take the reverse, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2. Yes, is it clear, this table? Yes or no? This table is clear? Yes? Okay, so this table I will not advise you remember for cosec, sec, cot. Remember for sine, cos, tan. These two you remember sine 0, 0, cos 0, 1. Sine 91, cos 90, 0. Then these three you remember together. 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2. That's all. So based on this we have exercise 23A. Based on this trigonometrical ratios of standard angle, that's all. So let us solve exercise 23A. Okay. Table is over. I can erase. Yes. Should I erase this table? Writing part is over. Sir. Let us solve the exercise based on this 23A. Find the value of. You have to just substitute the value of trigonometrical ratios of standard angle sine 30, cos 30, sine 45, cos 45, sine 60, cos 60, sine 0, cos 0, sine 90, cos 90, That's all. Then tan 0 0, sin 0 0, cos 0 1, tan 0 0. Sin 90 is 1, cos 90 is 0, tan 90 is infinity. 1 upon 0 is infinity. So tan 90 is not defined. Tan 90 is not defined. That you remember. Tan 90 is not defined. Now see the first exercise. Sin 30 into cos 30. Yes. Now which one I should do? You tell me. All are easy. From first exercise, just go through that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and tell me which one I should do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All are easy. So if you will not 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. Exercise 23. Exercise 23A. 1, 2, 3 are homework. Let me do fourth one. Fourth one, cos square 60 degree. Fourth one, cos square 60 degree. Now before we start this you remember that sin square x is same as sin x whole square. Sin square x is same as sin x whole square. So we do not square the angle, we square the whole part, sin x b square. Sin square x means sin x whole square. This concept you remember. Then let me do fourth one. Fourth one, cosec square 60 degree. Cosec square 60 degree minus first, second, third homework. Tan square 30 degree. Okay. Now you do not remember the table of cosec. So cosec square I can write 1 upon sin square 60 degree. Cosec is reciprocal of sin, so cosec square 60 degree is 1 upon sin square 60 degree minus tan square 30 degree. Okay. So you know the value of sin 60. What is sin 60? Root 3 by 2, no? So sin 60 square, that is root 3 by 2 square minus tan 30. You can do that directly. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 square. So this will be 1 upon root 3. 1 upon root 3 square will be 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 3. So 1 divided by 3 by 4 is same as 4 upon 3. 4 upon 3 minus 1 by 3. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 upon 3, that is 3 upon 3. 3 upon 3, answer is 1. Yes, so answer is 1. Okay. So do not remember the table of cosec, no problem. You write cosec as 1 upon sin. Then fifth one. Yes, you can directly take, no problem. So sin square 30 degree. Fifth one, sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree, sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree plus cot square 45 degree. Cot square 45 degree. Okay. So sin square 30 degree. What is sin 30? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 square. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 square plus cot. Cot I will write 1 upon 10. 1 upon 10 square 45 degree. So 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4. Root 3 by 2 square is 3 by 4 plus 1 upon tan 45. What is tan 45? 1. 1 square. So 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is 4 by 4. Screen is clear. Yes. What about now? 4 by 4. 4 by 4 plus 1 upon 1. 4 by 4 is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. So 2 is the answer. Screen is clear? Yes? Okay. Now sixth one is same. Sixth one will be homework. Chalo. Now second, let me do second. Whichever I am not solving, these are homework. Second. Okay. Find the value of second. Find the value of tan 45 degree upon cosec 30 degree. Tan 45 degree upon cosec 30 degree plus sec 60 degree upon cot 45 degree. Okay. Cot 45 degree minus 5 sin 90 degree upon 2 cos 0 degree. Okay. So tan 45 degree, yes, what is tan 45 degree? 1. So what you can write, see here my dear, tan 45 degree, this you can rewrite, tan 45 degree, what is cosec? 1 upon sine 30 degree, plus sec, what is sec? 1 upon cos 60 degree, and cot is, what is cot? Cot is 1 upon tan 45 degree. Okay, minus 5 sin 90 degree is 1, cos 0 degree is 1. So let us solve this. Now this sin 30 will go in the numerator. Tan 45 is 1 upon 1 upon sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. Sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. Okay, sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. Yes? Okay. So if you want, you can write this. This is tan 45 degree into sin 30 degree. You can take sin 30 degree up. Plus tan 45 degree upon cos 60 degree minus 5 upon 2. Tan 45 is 1, sin 30 is 1 by 2. Plus tan 45 is 1, cos 60 is, what is cos 60? Cos 60 is 1 by 2, minus 5 by 2. So 1 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. Now 2 will go up, 1 by 2 plus 2 minus 5 by 2. Yes? 1 by 2 and minus 5 by 2 you can simplify. 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2 plus 2. 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2 is minus 4 by 2. Minus 4 by 2 plus 2. Answer is minus 2 plus 2. Answer is 0. What answer all of you are getting? 0. Yes. So this way you should simplify. Then next one, any way you can do. You can directly put the value of cosec, sec, cot, get the answer. No problem. So I am explaining that in case if you are not able to remember the table of sec, cosec, cot, then write down cot in terms of tan, write down sec in terms of cos, write down cosec in terms of sine. That's all. If you remember the table, you can directly put the value. So third one will be homework. Now third one prove that. One part I will do. Which one, tell me? Okay, chalo, let me do first one. Sin 60 into cos 30. prove that sine 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cos 60 degree into sine 30 degree is equal to 1. Okay, so prove that means this is my left hand side and this is my right hand side. Left hand side is given, right hand side is 1. So consider left hand side. Consider left hand side. What is that? Sine 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus cos 60 degree into sine 30 degree. Use the trigonometrical ratio. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2 into cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus cos 60 is 1 by 2 into sine 30 is 1 by 2. Let us see. Root 3 into root 3 is 3, 2 2s are 4, 3 by 4. 1 into 1, 1, 2 2s are 4, 1 by 4. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is 4 by 4. 4 by 4 is 1. So my left hand side is equal to 1, which is same as right hand side. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence proved. Hence proved. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence proved. So in order to prove that, you simplify left hand side and check whether left hand side is same as right hand side. Yes. Now tell me which one I should do. Fourth one. Sorry, your fourth or fifth one. Fifth one. Chalo. Let me do fifth one. Second, third, fourth you can do easily. Let me do fifth one. Tan 60 degree plus 1. 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 Chalo. Fifth one. Prove that tan 60 degree plus 1. Fifth one. Prove that tan 60 degree plus 1 upon tan 60 degree minus 1, tan 60 degree minus 1 whole square is equal to 1 plus cos 30 degree, 1 plus cos 30 degree upon 1 minus cos 30 degree. So this is my left hand side, this is my right hand side. Find the value and see whether both are equal. So left hand side is tan 60 degree plus 1 upon tan 60 degree minus 1 whole square. Now put the value of tan 60. Yes, what is tan 60? Root 3. Root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 1 whole square. Now tell me, my dear, how you will simplify? Irrational part in the denominator. So rationalize the denominator. Yes or no? Rational number we have studied. Rationalize the denominator. So multiply and divide by root 3 plus 1. So this becomes root 3 plus 1 into root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1, and it is whole square. Okay, it is whole square. So this will be root 3 plus 1 whole square, a into a square, upon a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square, root 3 square minus 1 square. It is whole square. Okay. Now simplify. Simplify root 3 plus 1 whole square. Simplify root 3 plus 1 whole square. Simplify root 3 plus 1 whole square. Root 3 plus 1. So left hand side is root 3 plus 1 whole square. That is root 3 square. Root 3 square plus 2 root 3 plus 1 square upon root 3 square is 3, 3 minus 1 whole square. So left hand side is root 3 square is 3 plus 2 root 3 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1 is 2 whole square. 3 plus 1 is 4. So left hand side is 4 plus 2 root 3 upon 2 whole square. So whenever you have a plus b divided by c, a plus b divided by c, you can write a by c plus b by c. A plus b divided by c, you can write a by c plus b by c. So my left hand side is 4 divided by 2 plus 2 root 3 upon 2 whole square. So left hand side is, yes, 2 plus root 3 whole square. 2 plus root 3 whole square. So left hand side is a plus b whole square, that is 4 plus 4 root 3 plus 3. So left hand side is 7 plus 4 root 3. Left hand side is 7 plus 4 root 3. Left hand side is 7 plus 4 root 3. What about right hand side? Simplify that. Yes, simplify. LHS we have to write, no? No. You write again and again, no problem. You write every time. What is Amdi? Okay? Sometimes the examiners are strict. They will cut half mark. Why not writing LHS every time? I will not cut half mark. But there are some examiners. Okay, now let us simplify right hand side. Right hand side is 1 plus cos 30 degree upon 1 minus cos 30 degree. Okay. So simplify 1 plus cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2 upon 1 minus root 3 by 2. So simplify, cross multiply, that will be 2 plus root 3, 2 plus root 3 upon 2. This will be 2 minus root 3 upon 2. Then 2 get cancelled. 2 get cancelled. So that will be 2 plus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3. That will be 2 plus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3. Rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. That will be 2 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3 into 2 plus root 3. So numerator will be 2 plus root 3 whole square upon 2 square minus root 3 square. 2 square minus root 3 square. Okay. So right hand side is 2. Not clear? Okay. So right hand side is 2 plus root 3 square upon 2 square is 4. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. So 2 plus root 3 square, right hand side. So a plus b whole square, 4 plus 4 root 3 plus root 3 square is 3 upon 4 minus 3. So right hand side is 4 plus 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 4 root 3 upon 1. So right hand side is 7 plus 4 root 3. What was left hand side? Yes, what was left hand side? Same. Okay. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Left hand side is equal to right hand side is equal to 7 plus 4 root 3. Hence it is proved. Hence proved. Okay. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence it is proved. Then next fourth part, prove that. Let me do one question. Let me do third one, third. Fourth, third. Second, okay, chalo. Fourth, second. Let me do second. Fourth, second. Cos 2 into 30 degree. Cos 2 into 30 degree. Cos 2 into 30 degree is equal to 1 minus tan square 30 degree 1 minus tan square 30 degree upon 1 plus tan square 30 degree. 1 plus tan square 30 degree. So prove that cos 2 into 30 degree is equal to 1 minus 30 degree, 1 minus tan square 30 degree upon 1 plus tan square 30 degree. So consider left hand side. Consider left hand side. So left hand side is cos 2 into 30 degree. Cos 2 into 30 degree. What is 2 into 30 degree? That will be cos 60 degree. Yes. And what is cos 60 degree? What is cos 60 degree? 1 by 2, no? So my left hand side is 1 by 2. Left hand side is 1 by 2. Let us evaluate right hand side. Right hand side is 1 minus tan square 30 degree, 1 minus tan square 30 degree upon 1 plus tan square 30 degree. Okay. 1 minus tan 30 degree. What is tan 30 degree? Yes. What is tan 30 degree, my dear? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So 1 upon root 3 square upon 1 plus tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. 1 upon root 3 square. So 1 minus 1 upon root 3 square is 1 by 3. Then 1 plus 1 upon 3. 1 minus 1 by 3, cross multiply 3 minus 1 upon 3 and 3 plus 1 upon 3. What is 3 minus 1? 2 by 3 upon 4 by 3. So that will be 2 by 3 upon 4 by 3. 2 by 3, right hand side will be 2 by 3. Right hand side is 2 by 3 upon 4 by 3. 3 get cancelled. 3 get cancelled. What is left? 2 by 4. 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. So my right hand side is 1 by 2. And left hand side was 1 by 2. Okay. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Left hand side is equal to right hand side is equal to 1 by 2. Hence it is proved. Hence proved. Okay. Now you think there is a need to solve third one? Yes, third one you can do it now. Okay. Third one you can do it. Now fifth is omitted. Fifth is omitted from sixth. From sixth, let me do second. Fifth is omitted, sixth. Sixth. Now what should I do first one? Yes, tell me, prove that. Prove that. Prove that. Should I do first one or second one? Tell me. Chalo, first one is easy. Okay. So prove that second. Second, 4 sin 30 raised to 4. Okay. 4 sin 30 raised to 4. It is 4th power. Plus cos 60 raised to 4. Cos 60 degree raised to 4. 4 times sin 30 degree raised to 4 plus cos 60 degree raised to 4 minus 3 times cos square 45 degree minus sin square 90 degree is equal to 2. My right hand side is 2. Evaluate left hand side. So evaluate left hand side. So consider left hand side and substitute the value of trigonometrical ratios of standard angle. So left hand side is 4 sin 30 degree raised to 4 plus cos 60 degree raised to 4, okay, 4 power, minus 3 cos square 45 degree minus sin square 90 degree, sin square 90 degree. Let us solve this. So 4 times sin 30 degree raised to 4. What is sin 30? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 raised to 4 plus cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 raised to 4 minus 3 cos 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2 square. Sin 90 degree is 1. So that is 1 square. So that is 4 into 1 by 2 raised to 4. So 1 raised to 4 will be 1, 2 raised to 4 will be 16, 1 by 16 plus 1 by 16 minus 3 into 1 by root 2 square. 1 square is 1, root 2 square is 2, minus 1. Okay. Let us solve. So 4 into 1 by 16 plus 1 by 16 is 2 by 16 minus 3 into 1 by 2 minus 1 is 1 minus 2 upon 2 multiplied. So 4 4s are 16, 2 2s are 4. So that is 1 by 2 minus 3 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 by 2 minus into minus plus. So 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 is 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is 2. So my left hand side is 2. My left hand side value is 2. What about right hand side? Right hand side is given 2. Yes. Right hand side value is given 2. Left hand side value we have found, that is 2. So left hand side is 2, right hand side is 2. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side is equal to 2. Hence it is proved. Hence proved. This is already given, and left hand side we have evaluated. Left hand side we have evaluated. Okay. Now 7th, okay. State the value of x. X is acute angle. What do you mean by acute angle? See, what type of angle you have? Yes, what type? Angle are 3 types here. Angle, acute angle, then right angle, then you have obtuse angle. Okay. So acute angle means it will be less than 90 degree. Right angle means equal to 90 degree. And obtuse angle means greater than 90 degree. Greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Greater than 90 degree means obtuse angle. Okay. So this concept you remember. Acute angle means less than 90 degree. Right angle means 180 degree means straight line angle. 180 degree means straight line. No. That is not the obtuse angle. So less than 180 degree. Less than 180 degree means obtuse angle. Equal to 180 degree means straight angle. Equal to 180 degree means straight angle. Okay. So obtuse angle will lie between 90 degree and 180 degree. So based on this we have problem number 7. 7 first. If sin x is equal to cos x, sin x is equal. Okay. It is 12:11. Sorry. Now we stop here. Bye. Bye everybody. See you in the next period. Okay. Bye. Bye.